Foxtails are summer annual weeds that are actually more of a problem than they seem to be. They'll grow in garden beds, lawns, and cement cracks, but what's worse than simply being in the way are their seeds. Foxtail seeds can cling to the fur of wildlife or our pets and burrow its way into the flesh, causing serious injury. So in this video, we'll show you how to identify and control foxtails so your property can stay free from these weeds. To shop for their products featured in this video and to learn more about foxtails, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Foxtail grasses are actually one of the easier weeds to spot out simply because of their characteristic appearance. Once matured, these grasses bear panicles, or seed heads, that resemble the shape of a fox's tail, hence the name foxtail. These seed heads grow from a stalk in the center of the plant, with several blades of grass sprouting from the same stalk down to the soil's surface. In lawn care, there are 3 commonly dealt with varieties: yellow foxtail, green foxtail, and giant foxtail, each with varying characteristics. Yellow and green foxtails are known to grow 1 to 3 feet in height, while the giant foxtail can grow up to 7 feet tall. Yellow and green foxtails have grass blades that grow from 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch in width, while the giant foxtail's grass blades can grow wider than 1/2 an inch. Yellow and giant foxtails have hairy grass blades, while green foxtails have smooth blades. Yellow and green foxtails grow their panicles upright, while the giant foxtail's panicle will droop. And finally, yellow and giant foxtails have coarse, bristly panicles, while green foxtails have softer seed heads. While it's important to know which exact species of foxtail you're dealing with, fortunately, they can be treated with similar products and strategies. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hotspots of activity. Foxtails are summer annual weeds. They'll germinate in spring when the soil temperature warms to over 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Then they'll grow quickly over the summer, growing best when the temperatures are between 75 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. By late summer or fall, many foxtail plants would have flowered, produced seeds, and begun to die. Most of any remaining foxtails will be killed off by the first frost of the year. Foxtails prefer to grow in disturbed, compact soils that are rich in nitrogen. Disturbed meaning the soil has been disturbed by human activity. These can be in ditches, farmland, commercial building sites, roadsides, and cracks in paved areas where bare soil is exposed. While foxtails thrive in that soil, they're actually able to grow in a wide variety of environments as well. They can even show up or spread to lawns. Take a look around your property and take note of where you find foxtails, as this information can affect how you approach your treatment. After identifying your weed and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. To get rid of foxtails growing on your turf, you can use a post-emergent herbicide like MSM Turf. MSM Turf is a dry flowable herbicide that contains the active ingredient metsulfuron methyl. This product is labeled to treat a large variety of broadleaf weeds, but it can also be used to control a few grassy weeds, including foxtail. MSM Turf can be applied over warm season grasses as well as a few cool season grasses. You'll apply this product at a rate of 0.5 to 1 whole ounce per acre of treatment area. In smaller applications, this translates to 0.011 to 0.023 ounces per 1,000 square feet, or in metric, 0.31 to 0.65 grams. If you're dealing with foxtails growing from cracks and crevices in pavement, then you can use a product like Eraser. Eraser is a non-selective weed killer that's made with the active ingredient glyphosate. Glyphosate is a very powerful ingredient, however, it is non-selective, meaning the product will affect and kill any plant it is applied to. This makes it great for treating isolated spots like within pavement, but it's generally not recommended for lawns as it will severely damage or kill your grass if you're not careful. Mix Eraser at a rate of 2.5 fluid ounces per gallon of water. This will treat up to 300 square feet of treatment area. Regardless of which herbicide you choose, we recommend you use a 1 or 1.5 gallon handheld pump sprayer to make mixing and application quick and easy. To mix your product, add half the water into the pump sprayer, add your measured amount of MSM Turf or Eraser, then add the remaining half of the water and close the sprayer. Shake the sprayer to agitate and pump to produce a low-pressure spray. If you're mixing both products in separate sprayers, be sure to keep the Eraser solution labeled as a non-selective herbicide. With low pressure, spray weeds directly and use a fan setting to thoroughly coat the leaf surface. Spray the weed to the point of wet, but not runoff. You should see affected plants wilt and start to die within the first 2 weeks of application. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to make sure it can't happen. If you're concerned about stopping the growth of foxtail on your lawn, then consider laying down a pre-emergent herbicide with prodiamine. We recommend you use a product like Barricade. When applied properly, Barricade will form a chemical barrier that will stop weed seeds from sprouting. Barricade comes in a granular form, so you will need a broadcast push spreader to apply it. Foxtail seeds will germinate during spring when soil temperatures rise to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, so we recommend you apply Barricade early in spring before the soil temperature warms to 65 degrees. Be sure to look up your area's soil temperatures to find the best window for pre-emergent application. You'll use between 1.5 to 4 pounds of Barricade per 1,000 square feet of treatment area depending on your turf type. Pour the proper amount of Barricade into the spreader and broadcast half your granules in parallel lines once across the area. Then broadcast the other half at a perpendicular angle to cover the area in its entirety. Once the product is fully applied, water it in. Most effective control can be achieved with at least half an inch of water within 14 days of application. If applied properly, Barricade will stop new weeds from germinating in your turf for up to 90 days. Foxtail seeds are known to remain viable for up to 3 years, so be sure to reapply Barricade in the fall to stop winter weeds, and again next spring to stop that year's round of foxtails. Beyond herbicide applications, the best way to stop weeds from growing in your lawn is maintaining proper lawn health. By strengthening your turf grass and keeping up with maintenance, you'll choke out weeds and give them little opportunity to grow. Mow your lawn taller to about 3 or 4 inches and water your grass deeply once a week rather than a little every day. These can help strengthen your lawn to fight weeds that are attempting to grow. Keep in mind that foxtail grows in soil with high nitrogen content. When selecting a fertilizer, choose the right mix of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium that will keep your lawn strong but not overstimulated. You can even consider using a slow-release fertilizer to temper the amount of nitrogen your lawn receives. Foxtails are dangerous weeds that can potentially pop up in your own lawn, but there are ways to control a weed invasion that's gone out of hand. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop foxtails from growing on your property, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.